Hello friends, today in this video I will share with you neon light effect in Pixlr. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, open your picture in Pixel editor and make one copy always to avoid some mistake so you can later sort out. Then click on plus icon and select empty image. Then select empty image layer and then from toolbar menu click shape toolbar. Click on draw, then circle. Opacity I will reduce. Outline I will keep 5 and fill option I will do disable. Then pressing shift key from keyboard I will draw a circle and select free option, and I will resize this circle to fit behind this image and will create a duplicate layer as well. Then click on filter menu and select outer glow. Color I will choose pink and size 37 pixel, feather 100 and opacity also 100%, and click on apply button. To show this circle behind the image, I will cut out some part of this circle using cut mask tool. Here you can see. After that, select your main image layer and click effect library, and I will choose any effect from here, and I will reduce some opacity and click apply button. Then select your circle layer and click filter option from menu bar and select color and apply. Finally, I will save this image. If this video found helpful, please like and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.